All right, welcome everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to look at creating a sequence using our CAS calculator. So what I've got over here to the right is just a couple of sequences, and we're going to create these two using two slightly different methods. So our first one for part A, starting value of 8, and we're going to multiply by 1.5 each time. We're going to do this on a calculator page. So starting value of 8, so I'm just going to press 8 and then enter. So from here, we're going to use that ANS function. So if I start typing in multiply by 1.5, so times, that answer will come up. So we're multiplying our previous answer by 1.5, so times 1.5. So this is where we just get count. That's my first term, pressing enter once, that gives me my second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and so on. So we can see all of our options, all of our different terms in our sequence. So that's one way we can do this. So just from a calculator page, by typing our first number. So for the next one, I would go -2, press enter, and then multiply by 2. So we're going to go times 2, and then add 3 plus 3. So again, we can keep doing that, and that'll give you my sequence. So one way to do it. Another way is we're going to use a table. So I'm going to insert a page. So insert a page, we're going to do list and spreadsheet. So in my first cell, we're going to put in our first value, so starting value of 8. And now we're going to put a formula into my second cell. So for a formula, I need to start off with equals. So that tells the CAS that we are actually going to do a formula. Multiply 1.5. So that cell, my top one, is in A1. So we go A1 times 1.5. So what that's saying is multiply that previous cell by 1.5. So press enter. So I've got 12. Then we're going to fill down. A couple of ways to fill down. If you've got your cursor, you can hover over that right or bottom right corner and then drag it down. That's a little bit hard for you guys there. So what we're going to do is menu, data, and then down to fill. So making sure that we do have the one that we are going to copy down selected. So menu, data, fill. So if I press down now, you'll see that dotted line, that dotted rectangle. So that's how far I want to fill down. So let's just go down to 8 and then enter, and that fills it down for us. So each time, so if I got number 6 here, that's taking that previous one, multiplying by 1.5. So once again, that's my first term, so the initial, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So there's a couple of ways we can create a sequence using our CAS. From a calculator page, that will probably be the most common option though. All right, thanks for watching in, and we'll see you all next time.